Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a new video today. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, thank you for coming on to the channel. Today we've got a great video to help you guys save some money, save some failures so you don't end up losing thousands of dollars doing Amazon FBA. In today's video, we're gonna be going over 5 products you should avoid. So you ready? Let's get to it. All right, so before we begin, of course, I'm gonna show you my sales so you guys know I'm a current Amazon seller. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Pull up the last 12 months. All right, full refresh. Boom, over 500K in the last 12 months. That's how my account is doing so far. So that is the, what? Oogie, how'd you get up there? What the? Oh, I think Oogie wants some attention to say, please like the video. So he's just out here just sneaking in the background trying to say what's up. Please like the video for not only Puppy, but the YouTube algorithm. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, Oogie, thank you. Your time is up. Now we're gonna hop onto my computer real quick so we can take a look at these products and why you should avoid them. Starting off with the first product that you should not do in 2021 is this jaw exerciser. I've seen this product literally everywhere, and when I do my consulting calls, there are so many people who bring this product up. And if you got into this pretty early, then you probably have done well, but there's a lot of new sellers, and saturation means that there's a lot of competition coming out, a lot of sellers coming in. Competitiveness is more so like when your competitors or other listings have very high reviews. That's a more competitive market. So there's differences between competition and saturation. But when we look at a product like this, number one, they all look the same. They all look the same. It's hard to get away from it. But when we look at this product right here, you'll see there's so many new sellers here. Watch. So if we pull up the revenue, I'm going to pull it to high to low, and the reviews are very, very low. That's the thing. It's a very low review product. There's a lot of people coming in, but you can see here that there is so look at as I scroll down. Look at how many people there are in the hundreds right here, just doing $100 or $1,000 a month. There's so many people coming into it, and there's gonna be more. There's gonna be more. So I think this is a product that, although it looks like it has a lot of space, I think it is saturated. Unless you do something completely different that makes the product look completely different than anything else. If you differentiate in a very strong way, you might be able to take over the market in some way. But if you're just gonna throw something on and you can't really think of anything to differentiate, I can't really think of anything to differentiate this product because it's such a simple product. Really not recommended to go for something like this. Although the numbers might look good, it is a saturated product because everyone is finding it. Everyone's finding it on like Helium 10, Jungle Scout. A lot of people are finding it and trying to launch it. So I would avoid it falling into the crowd of this. The next product is a lot more competitive, is this ropeless jump rope right here. So a couple of things with this one. So I've had a few people also come up to me about this product as well. This product is a really cool product, but it is a product that's number one, more competitive, much more competitive, and it is more saturated. I'd say compared to the jaw exerciser, is more competitive, but not as saturated as much. But there are people getting lots and lots of reviews very quickly. Compared to the jaw exerciser, there's not many people with high reviews, but there are a lot of sellers starting to come in. But a ropeless jump rope is something that is getting a lot of reviews really quickly because people who did it right are getting massive reviews very quickly. They're getting all the sales, and they're just going to be able to dominate the market with their 10,000 reviews or something like that, right? So I would avoid this one. A lot of people are finding it, and it's getting very competitive as far as review wise. So I would avoid. Don't waste your time on this. The next one is, I feel like I've shown this before. I might have, but I want to readdress it if I mentioned it before, because I still see it all the time. Still people get interested in it. It's the no touch door opener. This is a COVID related product. Basically what it does is that it's a little keychain product where you use it to press buttons, so you don't have to actually press it yourself with your own fingertips. So it's just basically a way to avoid germs and everything. I don't recommend this product because it's COVID related, and these COVID related products are trendy products, and so that means that they're gonna die off, right? A lot of people in here try to get into this one, and this market, I believe, is actually dying off. If I pull up the numbers, it is searched for a lot, but I know that it's a product that's probably gonna be dying off very, very soon. So once we wait for this to load for a little bit, pull up the revenue high to low, yeah, look at that. So it is definitely a dying product. So if you could see right here, the revenue, the best seller is doing only $16,000, and look how fast everyone drops off. But this product gets 12,000 searches per month, right? 12,000 searches is a lot, but look at that. It just drops off so hard. There's only maybe a few people making good money on here. The reviews are low, but it is a dying trend. So you want to be careful with COVID related products. Anything COVID related, especially face masks or anything like that, anything that's like a cleaning, sanitizing, avoiding germs type of product, I would avoid it right now. Once this whole COVID thing settles, then you can start looking at what products are more consistent and sustaining, right? So I don't recommend you do this product. The next product, the fourth product, is a paint by numbers for adults. I've seen this so many times. Now the problem with this product is, there's a few problems with this. Number one, it is a competitive market where there's people getting lots of reviews. You can see someone right here has 2,000 reviews. Number two, it's getting saturated because a lot of people are trying to get into it. They saw openings a while ago, and then they're still trying to fill up it. So it's getting saturated. And number three, art is a very subjective type of product, because you don't know if your art style is going to be appealing to customers. And another point is that people don't realize that you could get copyrighted because you're going to be using an image that's not yours. And the only way to do well with this is to use an image that's not copyrighted. It's originally yours and people like it. So that's a problem. So you can't just throw up whatever image. You can't just put like a Mickey Mouse image and paint by numbers for that, because you don't own the image of Mickey Mouse. You don't own the rights to that. So you can't use copyrighted images that might be popular. You have to have your own original design for it, which makes it hard, and you don't know what people are gonna like. So I don't like these type of art style products. I would avoid art style products like this all the time, and that requires a specific design or thing. I would avoid it completely. So this is not a very good product to do. The last product on this list is a Montessori busy board. Now this one is also getting saturated because this one had good numbers. It's a very simple product. There's different ways you could differentiate this as well. If you got into this early, I think you could have done well, but this product right now, in my opinion, is more saturated because people saw the numbers were good back then, and now people are starting to climb in, and the competition is starting to increase as this goes. People are getting more reviews. This person almost has 2,000 reviews. So it is gaining traction, but only for the people who are actually doing well right now. So I would not waste my time on this. I focus on learning how to filter out my bad products, or any products I see are bad products, and I continue to filter them out until I find good products. And I don't waste my time on products that don't have good revenue or good reviews, and I keep going from there. I mean, just filtering out. That's really the key to product research, is learning how to get good at filtering products so you don't spend time on bad products, right? So that is some tips for you guys right there. Boom, right there. So those were 5 products I would recommend avoiding doing in 2021. So I hope I saved you guys some money there and saved you guys some time to help you not do those products and save thousands of dollars. So I would appreciate if you guys like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe for more content, and then comment below so I can talk to you guys. I love talking to you guys in the comments. I know I've been getting a lot more comments lately, so I try to reply to all of them as much as I can. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and I'm glad I could be a part of your journey. Hopefully 10K subs soon. I feel like we can get it this year. I know I made it a goal this year to hit 10K subs, and I feel like we can get it in like a couple months. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, go make that money, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.